Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Intuitive Tarot. And I'm going to predict what will come for you in next week. That is 8th September till 14th of September. What you can expect. All you have to do is choose one pile and I'll try to predict what can happen with you within next week. So this is card number 1 and this is card number 2. I hope that you have chosen this. Whatever card you chose, I will be giving you timestamps in description box as well as comments. And you can go and click to the time in which the prediction of your pile has been given. So, if you have chosen pile number 1, your card is Hermit. So, what you can expect in this week is that you are being called to look within, to have a deep look in your journey, that in the sense that you are being asked to do meditation if you can, and you are being asked to spend some time in solitude, because solitude is very necessary for soul searching. And from 8th September till 14th of September, this is what you can expect, that you might feel an urge to go deep within your soul and look what are your likes and dislikes. And if we get deep into it, we will get to know that there might be certain situations that come in front of you in this week that might cause you some trouble. And in that situation, you are being asked to focus on your intuition, because your intuition has all the correct answers. There is no need for you to ask advice from somebody else if you have your intuition with you. So you are being asked to focus inside and get a soul searching. The more we get deeper into ourselves, that is knowing our likes, dislikes, and enhancing our intuition, the better we get in our spiritual journey, and more we connect with the nature and universe. So I'll put your card here. Let us get dive into it. What other cards are saying for you, pile number 1. What you can expect from 8th September till 14th of September. So the next card is 7 of Pentacles. So you might feel very discouraged that the work you are putting your efforts into is not yielding results, and you are being asked to be patient, because the work you are doing is definitely an extraordinary work. Like if you are a working professional, there might be some chances that you are not getting a promotion or a salary raise, even though you have completed certain targets and you have performed your best. And if you are a student, then there might be chances that you have a lot of syllabus to complete and you have done only few chapters or a few subjects, but you are being asked to be patient because this is a long journey, and the project you are working upon requires a lot of efforts and endeavor from your side. You have to be patient with yourself, because the Rome was not built in a day. Similarly, the efforts you are putting into is worthwhile, and you have to be very patient, because this 7 of Pentacles is indicating that he is very upset with all the work which is still pending, but he is being patient with whatever work he is left with. Similarly, you have to be patient this week, because again there might be some certain challenges that you might face, and you are being asked to be patient. And the last card for your prediction is that, let us look deep into it, and the last card is King of Wands. Despite all the challenges and all the difficulties that you will face in this week, you are being reminded that you are the king. Despite of you being a feminine watching my video, you can have this characteristics of a king. That is, despite challenges, despite all of this hustle going on, you still manage somehow to stand tall in front of all those obstacles, because a king never shy away from hard work, perseverance, and resilience. He, with all of his confidence, put his best step ahead and faced the challenge eye to eye. Similarly, at the end of the week, you will feel like I am the king and I can manage all the things. And let us do the analysis. Yes. So, see this card very carefully. He's sitting on his throne and he's very okay with whatever is happening with him. He's very calm and confident. Similarly, you have to inculcate these traits in this week. You are being asked to be confident, calm, and patient, because there might be certain things that need to require to be a surge. That is, there are some things that will come on the surface and will ask your focus. This might be for some of you spiritual awakening or certain tasks that were pending and you were ignoring them. And finally, this week they will show up again and you will be willing to work hard and deal with that. Pile number 1, with this your reading is over. I hope you enjoyed this reading, and if you liked it, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this. So hi pile number 2, whoever chose this card, this reading is for you. So let us see which card is this. Okay, the 4 of Swords. You are being asked to take rest this week, because this week might be hectic for you, and you are a very workaholic person. I am getting this intuitively, and you are at the verge and at the edge of a burnout. So there might be chances that you feel very tired and exhausted. So you are being asked to take some rest and relax also. The life is not all about work, and you have to manage wisely your resources and how you put your things in front, because to be honest, working is very important, but taking rest increases your efficiency and makes your work more doable, and in the best sense it makes your work very effective. So other thing, if you are not in this situation, the other interpretation can be that you are being asked to do meditation. If you are facing some problems this week, you are being guided to meditate a lot, because in meditation we get intuitive messages, and we must do the meditation in a relaxed mode without any anxiety, because there are chances that our intuition wants to guide us, but in the chaos of our lives we often undermine how powerful the power of intuition is. So you are being asked to do the meditation, and in meditation you get some messages which will help you in getting out certain situations which you might face in the current week, that is 8 September till 14 September. So let us look ahead what you can expect in this week. Pile number 2. So we have Justice card. So the Justice card is showing in the reading that there might be certain pending work in the past that you are not doing. That is, some procrastination is being done from by your side. So you are being asked to complete the work which has been pending since past, and the second thing is that there might be some contract or legal document or any kind of document that you might sign in this week, or you, the other interpretation is that you might be surrounded with very documentation and work related to papers and signing them, settling the papers, etc. and etc. And the third interpretation is that there is a call for you to bring balance in your life, because with 4 of Swords it is very clear that you are being asked to take some rest, right? And we talked about this earlier also, and with balance scales in this Justice card, it is also indicated that balance is very much required from your side, because life is not all about work. The scales in the hand of this women is showing, I hope you are getting this scales is showing that the balance is required by you. And the four of swords is a card of rest. So the message is again repeating itself, that there might be certain situations in this week that might demand a lot of work from you, but you are again being asked to be very mindful of taking rest also, because work is something that you cannot avoid at any cost, right? But you have to be mindful of taking rest, because there are situations where we burn out. So the next card is the star. So the star card here indicates that a manifestation of yours might come fruition into this week, and the manifestation that you are putting into, like visualization, affirmations, or you might be doing certain rituals for manifesting your desire. The universe, by sending this card in this reading, is indicating that this week you might see a sign from universe that your manifestation is very near to you. And this can be related to, let us pull a confirmation card from here. Okay, this might be related to the resilience power that you are manifesting, or certain desires that are manifested by you in the past also, but they failed. You manifested certain thing, but it did not came into fruition. So the star card here indicates that that this week you will see a certain sign that your manifestation is very near. So let's pull the last card for your week, that is 8 September till 14 September. What is the last thing that you can expect from this week? And we got the Tower card. And this might represent some endings and new beginnings. So you might end your pending work, which has been a backlog for you this week, and there are chances that there are new sudden beginnings, and there might be some chances also that some certain new opportunities are presented to you in this week, because the confirmation card for Tower is the Sun card, and Sun card is the happiest card of the tarot deck. And whatever sudden events happen this week, they might be turned out to be a blessing in the long run, and you are being asked to be happy and grateful towards life, despite of the challenges that you might face, despite of the resilience that you are showcasing in your work. You are being asked to be grateful, because each obstacle is an opportunity. With this mindset, you are very you often vibrate at a higher frequency, because you are not complaining to universe, rather you are being expressing gratitude that whatever this opportunity or challenge is there in my life, I am okay with it, and I am going to learn the lesson and move ahead. And this is the energy of gratitude, and this is the highest frequency. With the Tower card, it is shown that you are being encouraged to release old patterns in your life, old habit or old lifestyle which is not serving you, because there are chances that there are some bad habits that you are attached to, or there are some toxic people from whom you are not disconnecting. So it is an advice that please release all the old patterns, because some certain new blessings want to come into your life, and they cannot come into your life until and unless you allow space to the universe that yes, I am open to receive the blessings. So in order to for you to experience blessing this week, you are being asked to release the old patterns and old toxic habits, or old toxic peoples who are draining your energy. So this is all what I had for you, pile number 2. I hope you liked this reading, and if you liked, just subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.